Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool, amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what this is an organizer that you put inside your shelf. So it's something like this. If you guys have somewhere smaller or bigger, that's up to you guys, but this one in particular is supposed to work for like smaller closet. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so we guys open it up, this is basically what it looks like. So we fully expand it, let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys fully expand it, this is basically what it looks like. So for the top part here, what you're going to do is just stick it on to this part here. So let me show you what I mean. So just go like this and stick it right on top. And then once you guys set it up, this is basically what it looks like. So you have one compartment, two compartments, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different compartments where you guys put whatever you guys want in here. If you guys want to put like your clothes, your underwear, or your shoes, you can definitely do all of that on here. The material that they use on here definitely feels really nice. It definitely is a pretty high quality of fabric. And it's pretty easy to set up, if you can see, and it does support a lot of weight on here. And the cool thing about this organizer is the fact that not only can you guys put stuff on here, if you guys want to put stuff on the side of here, you can definitely do that as well. So there's one compartment here, one compartment here, one compartment here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different compartments right here. Let me actually take it off and give you guys another point of view of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different compartments here to put other stuff if you guys want to, or more shoes as well. If you guys want to separate it, maybe you guys can put like slippers on here. And this side you can put like regular shoes. And we turn on the other side right here, you can see there's some more compartments as well. So you can hang like your keys or whatever you guys want on here. You guys get 1, 2, 3, 4 to put stuff on here. And you get another 1, 2 slots here as well. So definitely a lot of space for you guys to put a lot of stuff on here. Whether you guys want to put shoes, your clothes, your underwear, whatever you guys want to do, that's up to you guys. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully assembled it. So now that you guys saw what it looks like here, let me actually bring it to a smaller closet and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we have it set right here. You can see this is basically what it looks like. So this is the top to the bottom part. You can see how much space there are. Let me put some shoe on here to show you guys how it actually looks like and what actually supports all the weight on here. Alright, so right here it's kind of dark, so I'm actually bringing it to another room to give you guys a different point of view, to give you guys a better point of view as well. Alright, so I have a different room that I started earlier. The reason why, because the other room is kind of dark, but you can definitely see the other room, it definitely does fit for in terms of the actual product. So I'm actually putting some shoe in here to show you guys what it actually looks like. And you see right here, it has a little cover to protect that wall, to prevent anything from getting in, which is pretty cool. Keep it all organized and clean. So see, I have 1, 2, 3 shoes. If I want to put more, I definitely can as well. But see how it's all well organized. And you can definitely put other stuff here on the side as well, so like your keys, maybe your socks, or maybe even your power bank, so it's easy for you guys to grab when you guys need to. And when you guys are done using it, you can definitely put it back here as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. If you can see, it actually looks pretty awesome, super easy to use, super easy to set it up, and super easy to put away as well. When you guys are done using it, just push back up like this, and you're all set. So that's basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want more and need one of these, especially if you guys don't like those shoe organizer or shoe racks. This is so much easier to actually use, especially if you guys want to save some space. And if you guys have a lot of space in your closet, you can definitely set this up as well. So you can put all your shoes here, you can put some stuff here as well, and you can put the other stuff on the side here that I showed you guys as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or haven't used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.